as a leader, it's just made me a lot more confident in my own abilities. It's made me a lot more confident as a coach. I'm stepping away from mentoring now and moving more into coaching, but coaching in a way where I'm not giving up huge amounts of time, but I'm seeing a lot of results in my faculty, where every one of the members of staff in my faculty is moving forward and making really good progress.
Fantastic. So if someone's thinking about learning to coach, and they've done coaching before maybe, and they're not quite sure because they've come across these other models, what would you say is different about this?
This model just sets you up with the skills you need.
Okay.
You don't need to worry too much about, how can I say, you don't need to worry too much about, knowing what to say or what to do. It's all laid out for you. If you follow the steps that are given, you will go and see fantastic results. You will see how your coachee will just go from strength to strength. This lays it out for you, and it takes away a lot of pressure from you.
Good stuff. So if someone's thinking about doing the online training, what would you say to them?
I will say go for it. Go for it, because you will see how straightforward it is. You will see how it can fit around your daily teaching timetable. You will see how simple it is to get the results. You will see how your coachee will just shine once you start to coach them in the correct way. Go for it. It's just amazing.